Hello, Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to be coming to your area very soon. My name is Allison Holly, and I'm the author of this book, The Era of the True Creator. And I'm going to be at Enchanted Forest Reiki Center on Monday, November 19th. And I'm going to be offering a workshop there where we talk about all the different concepts and things that were introduced to me in this book. So a little bit of background, I'm a channel, and all of the information in here was brought to me through different channeling practices. So it's jam-packed with a lot of really great stuff about how to move into our awakening and beyond what we know as drama into being a true creator. So part of this workshop is you actually get a copy of my book to take home, and we're going to be going through all of these different concepts. It's going to be really amazing. I'd love to see you there. So go ahead and sign up with the link below this video. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.